as I like it. But in reality, what that should translate to, what that actually literally translates to, is that it, in this case, the coffee, is pleasing to me. That's where that me it comes from. Because me doesn't mean I. It means me to me or myself. In this case, to me. And so in English, the verb to like is something that the subject, meaning the person doing the verb, does. And that tells you if that person likes that thing. Okay? In Spanish, if you like that thing, then you have to say that that thing is pleasing to you. And that's what the verb gustar means. Okay? And so this tells you a difference in logic again. And so you can see this pattern reoccur a lot in Spanish, where the thing, object, we could say, or a person, is the thing that is doing the verb, and you, yourself, the person, is the person that is receiving the verb. And so it might kind of sound confusing, but basically, if you want to say that you like coffee, you have to say that coffee is pleasing to you, which obviously does mean that you like it. If something is pleasing to you, it means that you like it, right? And so if you want to say you like the car, you would say the car is pleasing to me. He likes the car, then you have to say that the car is pleasing to him. And so for this, you don't have to memorize a list of different examples. You just have to find one example. You just have to find one example and then break down its logic to understand, and then apply it to several different examples. And that's what we did here, for example, right? You can see all these different examples of it, but you can assume those through only observing one example. And that's why I say study logic. This is what I mean by logic when we try to understand Spanish. Or if you're just starting out, I'd highly recommend checking out the Speedy Spanish cheat sheets, which are all my cheat sheets to help you start learning Spanish with these frameworks. And you'll find it in the first link in the description.